1897, British soldiers they march enter Benin City. Them no carry trade. Them no bring peace. Them come with fire, with bullets, with greed. Inside 1 week, one of Africa's strongest kingdoms fall. Oba Ovonramwen, the last Oba of independence. Them carry am go exile. Until today, the world still they look. The treasures with them thief. Like say no mean anything. This not the story of how Britain still Benin. Before 1897, Benin not be anyhow place. Them get powerful obas, strong army, and rich tradition. Palace full of art. Walls long reach past London Wall. Trade day, culture day, order day. Europeans they fear them, even respect them. Na true African empire we stand for hundreds of years. But Britain get plan, and them know they play fair. Oba Ovonramwen say, make them no enter Benin without permission. But one white man, James Phillips, no hear word. Him gather people, say he won't come visit, but na lie. Them they carry hidden guns, they plan ambush. For road, Benin warriors attack them, scatter them. Britain vex. Them talk say Benin must pay, but na them find trouble. February 1897, over 1,200 British troops, armed with machine guns and cannons, march enter Benin. Them burn houses, them kill priests, them loot sacred shrines. Palace where they stand for centuries, reduced to ashes. Benin people fight, but gun pass spear. British turn the city to ashes and carry gold go home. Wetin them no burn, them carry. Over 4,000 sacred bronzes, ivory tusks, royal masks, all pack enter ship, like saying a trade fair. Things will represent ancestors, gods, kings. Now they decorate museum walls for London, Berlin, even New York. Them call them art. But we know say na theft. Oba Ovonramwen no run. Him wait like true king. But British no get shame. Them arrest him, parade him, humiliate him. Them exile him go Calabar. Far from him people, far from him palace. 1914, the Oba die in silence. But him legacy never die. Till today, them still they hold our history. British Museum they guard over him like saying them papa get him. Some small returns don't start, but many still lock. Our history they scattered for Europe glass box, but the soul of Benin is still there strong. Benin no fall, Benin stand. Them fit carry bronzes, but them no fit carry spirit. This now why we they tell these stories. So say the world go know, say we no forget, say we still they watch, say history no fit die.